Hello students, good morning. Welcome to our Math Online class, Grade 2. How are you my dear students? I hope you all are doing good. Shall we check our previous answer? The answer is yes. Take your math book. Everybody, you got it? Turn to page number 73, lesson 5, shapes. First we will check fill in the blanks. Check your answer with the help of the screen. Everybody, you checked your answers? Your answer is yes. Then turn to page number 74, exercise 1. Check your answers with the help of the screen. Check your answers now. Everybody, you checked your answers? Shall we see today's lesson? Last video we learned flat shapes, isn't it? In this video we are going to learn solid shapes. Are you ready to listen? Okay. Turn to page number 75. Now we are going to learn solid shapes. What are called flat shapes? Can you answer me? Rectangle, square, triangle, circle and oval. These shapes are called flat shapes or plane shapes, isn't it? Did you learn the spelling of flat shapes? The answer is yes. I am going to ask you questions of flat shapes. Are you ready? How many long sides in rectangle? Your answer is 2. How many short sides in rectangle? It has 2 short sides, isn't it? How many corners in rectangle? 4 corners. How many sides of square? What is your answer? It has 4 sides, isn't it? How many corners in square? Square has 4 corners. All the sides are equal in square, isn't it? How many sides and corners triangle has? Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners, isn't it? In circle, it has round in shape but no corners. Then oval. Oval shape, also no sides and no corners. It has only one curve, isn't it? Now we will learn spelling of solid shapes. What is the spelling of solid? S O L I D. Solid. S H A P E S. Solid shapes. Okay, learn the spelling. See the screen now. This is called cube shape. What is the spelling of cube? C U B E. Cube. Now I am going to explain about cube. It looks like a dice. Okay. It has flat faces. This is called flat face. Okay. It has straight edges. This is called straight edges. It has corners. Understood? இந்த ஷேப்புக்கு பேரு கியூப். இது பார்க்க எப்படி இருக்கு? டைஸ் மாதிரி இருக்கு இல்ல? இந்த ஷேப்புக்கு, அதாவது கியூப் ஷேப்புக்கு ஃபிளாட் ஃபேஸ் இருக்கு, அப்புறம் ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் எட்ஜஸ் இருக்கு. இதுக்கு கார்னர்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஓகே. Now we will move to next shape. Okay. This shape is called cuboid. What is the spelling of cuboid? C U B O I D. Cuboid. Okay. It looks like a brick. What is the meaning of brick? In Tamil we will say செங்கல். Okay, வீடு கட்ட யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்ல செங்கல். அதுக்கு பேர் தான் இங்கிலீஷ்ல brick. Okay. It also has flat faces and straight edges. And it has corners. Understood? Then we will learn sphere. This is called sphere shape. It looks like a ball, isn't it? Round in shape. It has only one curved face. இதுக்கு sides கிடையாது, corners கிடையாது. Only one curved face. Round இருக்கா? So it has curved face, isn't it? What is the spelling of sphere? S P H E R E. Sphere. Okay. Sphere ku no sides and no corners, no edges. It has only one curved face. Understood? Shall we move to next shape? Next we will learn cylinder shape. What is the spelling of cylinder? C Y L I N D E R. Cylinder. It looked like a drum. பார்க்க எப்படி இருக்கு? drum மாதிரி இருக்கா? Okay. It has a curved face and also flat face. This is called curved face and this is called flat faces. Okay. சிலிண்டருக்கு curved face இருக்கு, அப்புறம் flat face இருக்கு. Okay. Next we will learn cone shape. What is the spelling of cone shape? C O N E. Cone. It looks like a tent. பார்க்க tent மாதிரி இருக்கா? It has a curved face and flat face. It has only one corner. This is called curved face. This is called flat face. And here it has one corner. Understood? Shall we recall now? What are called solid shapes? First one is cube, then cuboid, sphere, cylinder and cone. These shapes are called solid shapes. Okay. Cube looks like a dice, isn't it? Cuboid, it looks like a brick. Sphere, like a ball. Cylinder looks like a drum. Cone like a tent, isn't it? Now we will see book back exercise. Okay, take page number 76, exercise 2. See the heading. Look at these objects. Name the shape each looks like. இந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் பார்த்து இந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வந்து இப்போ நம்ம படிச்ச ஷேப்ல இருந்து எந்த ஷேப் மாதிரி இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும். This is your exercise. Okay. See the first one. This object is called ball, isn't it? It looks like இது எந்த ஷேப் மாதிரி இருக்கு? Spear shape, isn't it? The same way you are going to answer for that remaining one. Okay, you have to complete lab activity 2. Trace the solids all around as shown. Name the shape you get. இதை ட்ரேஸ் பண்ண பிறகு இந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ல இருந்து ஒரு ஷேப் கிடைக்கும். அந்த ஷேப் எடுத்து நம்ம இந்த பாக்ஸ்ல எழுதணும். சரியா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன்ல என்ன ஷேப் கிடைக்கும்? ரவுண்ட் ஷேப். ஸோ ரவுண்ட் ஷேப்க்கு நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? Circle, isn't it? So you have to write circle here. Understood? Now turn to page number 77, exercise 3. See the heading, roll or slide. What is the meaning of roll? உருண்டு போகிறது, isn't it? Then slide, சறுக்கி போகிறது. See the shapes now. You will find that shapes that have only a curved face and no flat face can roll but not slide. Curved face உள்ளது, not flat face. இது வந்து என்ன ஆகும்? roll ஆகும் but not slide. Okay. Shapes that have only flat face can slide but not roll. Flat face உள்ளது slide ஆகும் but roll ஆகாது. Okay. Shapes that have both flat face and curved face can slide and roll. அதாவது flat faceம் curved faceம் உள்ளது ஸ்லைடும் ஆகும் ரோலும் ஆகும். Okay. இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் வச்சுட்டு நம்ம கீழே உள்ள எக்ஸசைஸை கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணணும். Understood? Now see the exercise 3. Can these objects roll or slide? Put tick if it can and wrong if it cannot. எது ரோலும் ஸ்லைடும் ஆகுமோ அதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? டிக் பண்ணணும். ரோல் ஆகாது அப்போ ஸ்லைட் ஆகாதுன்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? ராங் பண்ணணும். இதுதான் எக்ஸசைஸ். See the first object. It looks like a cylinder, isn't it? It will roll or it will slide. இந்த ஷேப்க்கு flat faceம் இருக்கு curved faceம் இருக்கு, isn't it? அப்போ இது என்ன ஆகும்? ரோலும் ஆகும் ஸ்லைடும் ஆகும். ரெண்டுத்துக்குமே நம்ம டிக் போடணும். ஓகே. Same way you have to complete remaining sums. Okay. What we learned today? We learned solid shape, isn't it? Complete your book exercise and take photocopy and send it in our mail ID. Our mail ID is edustar.2@gmail.com. In our next video, we will draw solid shape and flat shape in our homework note. Okay. Now we will learn BCS. First question for you. Where are you going? Your answer is I am going to beach, park, etc. Shall I repeat one more time? Where are you going? I am going to beach, park, etc. Second question for you. What is the time now? Shall I repeat one more time? What is the time now? Your answer is the time is 8 o'clock, etc. This is your today's BCS questions. Now, time to wind up the class. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.